This is the best of mini O's, our trip to Florida. I always look forward to this trip, 2 weeks on the East Coast, just checking out all different tracks and then having these battles all week long with Haiden in the competition. So it's good, so let's check it out. A big bike.
Yeah. He wipes his feet off. You see that?
It's so slick. He got so much money.
This guy's gonna fail. He's going down. They're all really going down. Did you get a video of that? Oh. I know.
Okay.
Who gave you a whistle?
I ain't nobody give me. I bought my own whistle. Oh, hey! Wait. Got one more 29? Good. No, you're not good.
Hey, move!
Oh
my God! Dude, no way. We're like inching it.
Dude, I couldn't have gone any closer.
The other one, dude, we were sliding almost just inch.
Go!
Right next to him.
Listen to them sing. Make no mistake about it, schoolboy. Out there ripping and rolling. Look at that line, Deegan. Oh, he's not going to be denied on the outside, so he goes to the inside, and that'll work. Haiden Deegan, busy, thinking. The Danger Boy, big drive out of the corner. Flat landing and out there, trying to get the better of our leader. It's coming down to the checkered flag. Both choosing the same line through that foot section. It's going to come down to this. Gilmore, did Gilmore give up the inside line? He covers the inside line. Deegan's going to drag race. Wheel to wheel. Number 38 of Haiden Deegan taking the checkered flag by thousandths of a second.
Because I hit him into that rut. Coming up and hit my front tire in the air. So I just left it on into that rut. I just gassed it. Pushed his rear tire, so he went over the rut and I went under him. But I just like came out of that rut, there was like holes. I shifted up and just hung on. And I'm like, all right, either I'm gonna slide out and eat crap right now or I'm gonna go through it.
It'll be Haiden Deegan. Haiden Deegan picking up where he left off out there. There's no doubt Haiden can be a handful. Pass. Will it be secured? Man. That outside line, we talked about it all day.
This one ought to get very interesting. As we said, Haiden Deegan out of Temecula, California on his KTM is out here with us. Also, we saw some pretty tight finishes and some pretty great racing. Deegan to the inside on the far stretch, and it looks like Deegan is going to secure that pass. It took a lot of work, man, but he was able to make it happen out there. As we see that Deegan is into the home stretch there, not enough of an opportunity to make that strike. Checkers are out. Deegan takes a win.
Now more assertive as he closes the gap.
Gap 869.869, but man, right behind him is coming with a head full of steam. The 38 of Haiden Deegan turning a 102.8. That is the fastest lap.
How can I hear Angel?
How can you what?
I hear Angel with the whistle.
You can bet this one's going to deliver as well. Super Mini 2 for the 13 and 15-year-old riders.
Oh, yeah,
going to get the start out there. But what an amazing effort he's already putting in across the single on the backside.
Yeah, when you take a look at the numbers, you know what you remember who won the championship. But look at this, a 102.8. 102.8 by Danger Boy, bringing it on the white flag lap.
He's digging deep.
Boys, we're done with Supercross. Go to outdoors now and win some titles. We got a few kids that are going to get it out there, but we're not going to name them. You'll see it in the video.
He's been needing this. I know had some, I wouldn't want to call him struggles in Supercross, but he certainly didn't get the finishes that he was hoping for. A couple of seconds and some thirds and stuff over there, but not the championships that I'm sure that he was hoping to get.
All right, so
now we're going lemonade testing. We're going to try every booth's lemonade. There's probably 3 or 4 vendors that all sell lemonade, something with this lemonade. But we're going to go try it. We're looking a little watered down already. My variations, they didn't put enough ice, and it's a little watered down. I like how they shake it. They're getting the sugar around.
Yep.
They probably don't even put sugar in theirs. What a knockoff, dude.
What do you think lemonade is?
Lemons.
Okay, good. Okay.
Whatever that one's way better.
Oh!
Dude, look how good this looks.
Get out of my way.
Dude, look how good this looks.
God bless United
We're going to bring it back. We're going to bring it back. Everybody gets a chance.
Where do you get those?
From merch. You always gotta keep them on.
Always gotta keep them on.
Yeah.
No, actually, you can change them.
Yeah, he's had those on all week. How did the chain not pop off? How did the chain not pop off?
That's what I was saying.
Gangster ass chain.
Holy cow, that's rocket.
Dude, look at that. The whole bracket broke off. The swing arm's trash because it broke off. Right here.
Look, like that snapped the bracket. Look, snapped the bracket off.
And
Like,
when it happened too, this thing came up and hit my graphics.
look at this.
Oh, your graphics.
The stiffy, bro.
No.
Dude, these are the. What are we gonna do? The graphics.
Oh, yeah.
Is your chain still good?
Yeah, I didn't know. Chain's destroyed though.
Dude, that's a brand new chain. It's fine.
It's got one more ride.
Oh, yeah. Not the chain, dude.
Don't Slade, he'll run it. Slade will come out with a hammer and put the sprocket back straight.
Heat it up with a torch and.
Yeah, we can get one more moto out of this.
I can't count.
Dang! It's all wet!
Dude, he's done that 3 times today already.
Shop Deegan 38. There you go. Did I do it right?
Yeah, you did it right.
Good. It was so hard. Well, I have a.
Yeah, it's still logic.
You're still talking really loud.
I can't hear you.
What?
What?
Taking the outside line around the Kawasaki Pilot. He will slam back the throttle right there as well. Hold on to that inside line. Whoa, and the sweeper. This battle unfolded up front as one that has been long anticipated. No doubt, especially this week.
In our second moto.
Woo, a 157. Look out.
Mercy.
Haiden Deegan, a 157 9400s, but he's breaking into that for you right there. Haiden Deegan, right number 38. He's digging deep.
Moto, the Super Mini 1, 12 to 15. Deegan on the outside.
Look
to
at-
the
look at-
inside.
Unbelievable outside line right there. Hayden Deegan now he arrives right on the back of Casey. Come on, Rocky. I'm sorry, man. But look at this.
Oh, to the inside. Down goes Cochran. I think a statement was made. Well, there you go. The checkers are out, and Haiden Deegan takes the gold in the Super Mini 1, 12 to 15. Here's the Thor Videos.
Guys, Haiden Deegan, your champ, Super Mini 1, 12 to 15 from the young.
145, so track's gonna be absolutely blowing out. We're just gonna have to send it for the boys and go get another title. That's the plan.
We got our heavy hitters making the break, but those top 2 riders well out in front, pushing each other to their best performance.
Oh, Deegan's
And they're
got
looking
the
for the
line.
lines coming together right up here.
Deegan should have had the line coming out of the top of that bottleneck and back down to the base of the bottle. Here we go. We got a new leader.
Super Mini 2, 13 to 16-year-old champion. He celebrates with a stylish run across our finish line.
Subscribe to your channel.
All righty, folks. Once again, we're going to be gearing up for awards presentation coming up. We don't have an exact time.